Chances are you'll run out of energy long before this powerful LG Cordzero vacuum does. Kompressor Technology compresses dirt and dust, so you can keep cleaning instead of stopping to empty the dustbin. Two rechargeable detachable batteries deliver up to 120 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning performance. The portable stand can store and charge anywhere, all without drilling holes into your wall. The power punch nozzle helps remove hidden dirt for deep cleaning, one-touch control makes cleaning a breeze, and a portable charging stand lets you store and charge anywhere, anytime. Even maintenance is easy, with removable, washable filters and cyclone system and Think App Wi-Fi-enabled monitoring. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.